No matter where a job takes you, a smooth arc and superior performance should never be sacrificed. Introducing Ruffian ES 150G by ESAB, the engine-driven stick welding machine bred to run beyond the sunset, so you can truly run wild. Built with a premium Kohler engine, this compact beast packs an unbridled performance of 60% duty cycle at 150 amps, making it feel more like an animal than a machine, without the grisly growl, of course. And talk about all-day power. Ruffian can not only run multiple tools at once, but it can rev up the power independently. The machine's compatible with all the tools you need. So every job from a water line as wide as the prairies to high up in a concrete jungle just got easier. What else comes naturally? The ability to trek across tough terrain with rugged wheels, mindful ergonomics, and lightweight portability. And its intuition. It has a smarter user interface for advanced control over arc parameters and a screen that rivals the moonlight. With all this power, versatility, portability, and intuition, ESAB didn't just make any old run-of-the-mill engine-driven welder. Oh no, we've made the best damn one you'll ever lay your work gloves on. Now get ready to run wild with engine-driven welding at esab.com/Ruffian.